Hello, this is Reggie from Restore Plus Physical Therapy, and welcome to today's tip of the day. In this video, I want to tell you 3 ways on how you can improve your knee pain without seeing the doctor or without having to take pain medications. Now, studies have shown that 40% of people suffer from knee pain, so that's quite a bit. That's a big number. Now, have you had knee pain? If you've had knee pain before, you're gonna be able to kind of relate to what I'm gonna say. Is it affects you physically because it limits your mobility. You're not able to move as much. You're not able to walk as far. Climbing steps definitely is a problem. You're limited as how far you can bend down, like squatting, sitting on the floor, picking things up from the floor. uh, and also it limits or it affects people in a different manner also, because maybe they're not able to play with their kids. And like for me, that's something that yeah, I have a little boy, so that's very very important for me, and it affects me a lot. uh, if I won't be able to play with my son, so it can be that you're not able to get to work on time. You're not able to play your favorite sports. You're not able to do your hobby. All these things will affect you if you have knee pain. Now, what's the most common cause of knee pain? And from what I've seen, the most common cause of knee pain is arthritis, right? The osteoarthritis, wearing out of the joint. Let me just show you a quick diagram here. Okay, so this is a knee joint, and what happens is because of gravity, so the two bones here, they actually get compressed because the gravity pulls us down. And when you have more weight, when you're heavier, you actually put more pressure there. There's more compression. Now, aside from that, there's tightness, stiffness in the muscle that causes the bones to come together even more. So that causes more compression also, right? Maybe you had tried putting heating pads, maybe you've tried putting ice, taking Tylenol, or maybe you've tried using creams, but to no success. Now, I want to give you 3 ways on how you can actually improve your knee pain. Based on what I just discussed, we have to work on those stiff muscles or tight muscles. All right, so let me show you. For this exercise, I want to, uh, we're gonna use a stretch strap like this. You can use a belt, a bath towel, or a dog leash even some of my patients have recommended. So we're gonna stretch your quads, which is the front part of your thigh, right? We're gonna stretch the hamstrings, which is the back part of the thigh, and we're going to stretch your IT band, which is the side of the thigh. All right. So let me show you how we're gonna do it. I'm gonna use the bed here, and I'm gonna do it on my right leg, so we'll be closer to the camera. So I'm gonna hook this loop onto my right foot here. I'm just gonna go. This is one simple way of stretching your quads. All right. I'm gonna go on your tummy, and let me just stretch this out. And you can go like this, and then just bend your knee. And what you're going to do is just keep trying to pull the strap until you can get your heel onto your butt area. Okay. And when you do this, so your goal is to get your heel to the buttock area. Now, normally, people should be able to do that. If you have, loose enough quadriceps, okay, your quad is not very stiff, you should be able to do that. If not, you're gonna feel some stretching on your quad muscle. So that's how you stretch your quads. And the second one is number 2. I want to show you how to stretch your hamstrings. For a lot of people, this is very tight because we sit down a lot and this gets shortened. So I'm gonna do it on my left leg, so it's closer to the camera so you can see it better. All right. So you can lie down, and what I want you to do is keep the other leg down and this one up, and I want you to keep your knee straight and your foot. You can point your foot towards you, and you can use the strap to actually pull this up more, and you're going to feel the stretch in the back part of the thigh here. Okay? So when you do that, you're stretching your hamstrings. You can hold it for like 30 seconds or so. You can do it a couple of times. So same thing for the quads. Now, the third one that I want to show you is how to stretch your IT band. So I'm gonna do it on my, let's do it on my left leg again, so you'll be able to see. I'm gonna hook it like this and bring it up. And now, instead of just being vertically up, this time I want to bring this out to the side, going this way. When you pull it to this direction, you're gonna feel stretch on the side of the thigh here. Okay? So when you do that, you're stretching your IT band. So try doing those 3 stretches. See how you feel. In any of them, your knee should not be hurting. You should be just stretching the muscles around the thigh. All right? So try this. Let me know how it goes. I would love to hear what you think. Leave your comments below. And if you like this video, you can like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, or subscribe to our YouTube channel. Or you can actually share this with the people you know. All right? I'll see you in the next video. You're awesome.